Hello. Well, here we are, part 2 of the steering. Doing the steering and changing the motor around a little bit on this car. 1947 Plymouth business coupe. So what I did is I lowered the motor about 4 inches and I changed the steering. So originally I had a big steering gearbox here. I got rid of that. And there was a big gap here. I got rid of that, lowering the motor down, and I put this rack and pinion setup in here. I had to build the cross member and then route my steering linkage up through the headers into the steering column. So that runs through there, and it allowed me to move the motor down about 4 inches. So that's how she'll sit with the headers on. So now I have 3-to-1 ratio rack and pinion. You can see it down. Down here, this cross member I built. There it is there. I have to finish welding it in still. But it's built, tacked into place. And the steering's on. No more big steering gearbox there in the way. So plenty of room for my steering rod to go through. These headers are for a Chevy S10 pickup for the conversion when you put a V8 in the S10s. So these headers have this provision. There's this spot here for the steering to go through. Right through here, so it'll go right there like that. They're just a mid-length header. Nice ceramic coated. There we go. We got the engine down. Gives me a lot of room in the back for the distributor before the distributor hit the firewall. And I just lower it down into the frame. Changes my center of gravity. Changes the handling. Now with the rack and pinion, it's a quick ratio. It's 3 turns from lock to lock. So that's a pretty quick ratio. The one I took out was 5 1/4 turns. So almost half. So that should improve handling a little bit. Next, what I'm going to do is probably swap out these control arms, the spindles there, and get lowering spindles and stiffer springs to help improve the handling and the ride a little bit too. This thing sways. It's a big heavy boat, so I'm trying to change that a little bit. So there we go. The steering is in and the motor's lowered. Was my goal. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If you love it, if you hate it. Should have used the Dodge motor in there. Why would you put a Chevy motor in there? I know, I've heard it all. I've heard it all. Alright. Thanks for watching.